Hey everyone, welcome to Techmylife. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to hide your location on Tango. So let's get started. First, open your Tango application. Make sure you're logging to your Tango account. Now tap on your profile picture icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on the privacy option. Now select the very first option, that is discoverability. Among the 6 options, enable hide location option. And this is how you can hide your location on Tango. Thanks for watching Techmylife. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.